first day working on a Tŵr.
When you first got in touch to invite us into the project, as it were, immediately I was struck by, what a brilliant idea. This seminal Welsh language play suddenly turned into an opera. When you hear it spoken on stage, it already has a kind of poetic about it. But when you hear it sung as well, it just it's quite amazing, really. And as a Welsh speaker, when I first heard it being sung, I felt very, very privileged in a way. It's quite a moving experience for a Welsh speaker to hear this language sung in an operatic form, because it's such a rare experience. So I'm glad you've ventured into this world.
I think one of the things for me is to reflect on the fact that we're now dealing with a different beast.
Yeah.
We've got huge respect, and the whole thing has come from Gwenlyn Parry's concept, from his idea, from his words, his text, but now it's an opera. And for me, the business of Music Theatre Wales is about creating new opera that is going to speak to an audience, new opera that has something to reflect on the here and now. And I think this text does that quite brilliantly.